Hello guys, I'm Naughty Goat and today I will show you the best OBS Studio settings for low-end PCs, especially for Intel Celeron CPU. As you know, Intel Celeron is only good for browsing and office stuff, but I have a best settings for recording screen on this app. As you can see, in Task Manager I'm using Intel Celeron N4020 with 1.1 GHz and 4 GB of RAM, which means I'm using the same hardware for this tutorial. So let's get started. Firstly, open OBS Studio app and select File tab and click Settings. Go to Video Settings and select the canvas resolution. Choose the lower resolution. This also applies to the output resolution. Select 720p or 540p for best option. For the frame rate, choose common FPS values and select 30. Next, open Output section. On the output mode, select Advanced because we will open all settings. Go to Recording menu, on Type select Standard, and Recording Format choose MP4. This is the important thing, choose Video Encoder with QuickSync H.264. Go down, on the rate control choose VBR instead of CBR. On bitrate choose 1800 kbps. You can scale this if you want, but this is the stable one. But I will use 1800 because that's more stable. For maximum bitrate, I use 2500 kbps. You can fill anything but use the maximum that your computer can. On target usage, select very fast. On profile select high, and on latency select normal. The last option, go to advanced option. On the process priority select high instead of normal. This will make the application always run even though you have minimized it. Hit the Apply button and close the settings. Now you can freely setting whatever you want, such as adding screen or adding a face cam. Thanks for watching this video, I hope it's useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, see you in the next video.
Goes a little something like